What is Roku and is it free? And how it compares in price with other options. Roku is one of the newer options to get a channel lineup. Typically, you have to sign up for cable. If you wanted the whole thing, you would have to pay outrageous amount of money, or now they split it into packages where you can spend between $80 all the way up to $130. But Roku, it's different. They give you a full channel lineup where you have sports, crime, entertainment, kids, family, TV shows, comedy, streaming, and movies for free. There's four things that you have to pay for in initial charges when you're watching a paid-for television. The first one is installation or startup charges. This is when the cable company goes to your house and they put a little box like this. Or if you're getting satellite, they're going to go ahead and stick the sucker in the ground. And for doing this, cable and satellite will charge you an installation charge. Roku has none, and this is where it saves you money. Now, this only applies if you have an internet connection through your cell service. Let me explain. Now, once the installation is done, you're going to have the signal being able to get into your house. And that's exactly what comes out of the wall. And if you have cable or satellite, they will put something like this. You can have signal coming into your house from your phone. All three major cell providers have plans where you can share your internet connection with other devices. Cable charges you a signal fee. They sometimes call it maintenance fee. Satellite also charges you a fee. And due to competition, sometimes they don't even list them as fees, but it's in your bill. How else are they going to maintain all that equipment? Now, Roku does not have a signal fee, but you do need an internet. So if you have a cell phone, you already have that. But if you don't, this is something that you're going to have to spend money on. Now, once you have that signal coming into the house, the other charge is going to be modem or a box. Here's a cable modem. Now here is the Roku box. This is the only charge from Roku, and now the channel. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to support. The last charge is channel fee. Cable and satellite, they both charge you one. And Roku, it is free. So let's look at the prices. When you have initial charges, you have cable and satellite. They will both charge you about $100 to install it. Sometimes they'll run promotions where they'll waive this charge, but you have a signal charge that you get charged every month. 20 for cable, about 15 for dish. You also have a box rental fee. Cable charges you about $14. DirecTV, the lowest we've seen it is a $6. Now, Roku charges you $20. They don't have any installation or signal charges. Roku's advantage is the price. You can see here they usually start at $19. Roku has extra features like Dolby Pro Logic, you can see in here, an audio bar, and you're paying $120. When you're getting up in that level, you might as well sign up for cable or satellite. Now, here's where you save a lot of money. When getting the basic channel lineup, cable charges you $40. Satellite charges you $7, but Roku, it's free, and this is where you save a lot of money. I'll tell you how to pick the right Roku device so you don't regret your decision like I did. Cable install price is $174, $191 for satellite, and Roku is the cost of the unit. For monthly charges, we get rid of the installation price, but you will always have a signal and a box cost. Roku has none of those. So your total for cable is $74, $91 for satellite, and Roku, you get your channel lineup for free. If you need internet, you can spend $50 for high speed. That covers gaming and 4K. Two most important things: how to pick the right Roku unit for you, and find out what Roku's channel lineup is. Also, the video links are in the description and comments. This way you are prepared and you can save the most with Roku.